Oh, what a lovely day. I now have a misfire. I can tell because of the way that my accelerator is moving. I put my foot to the floor, it's very jerky. So it means that my four cylinder is currently a three cylinder. So right now this acceleration is okay, but shifting to second and putting my foot down, I can definitely feel the uh, the lack of power. So here I am leaving the spot. Oh, yep, I just felt a little jerk there. Let's see if I can put it in fifth and yeah, there it is. So the car is like struggling to accelerate at all. And there's a blinking check engine light. So that's an indication of a misfire. So it's either coil pack or spark plugs, but I'll figure it out soon.